What's up? Welcome to a mind-bending episode that's going to take us into the brave new world of human gene editing. This is Pew Pew, and today we're diving headfirst into the swirling debate. Is human gene editing a scientific miracle or a Pandora's box of ethical dilemmas? Let's find out.
Pew Pew JTV.
As I browse Google, here's the top 7 segments for you about human gene editing, so you better stay tuned.
1. The power of precision.
Imagine having the power to rewrite the genetic code that makes us who we are. Gene editing lets us do just that, potentially wiping out hereditary diseases and rewriting the blueprint of life itself. But is this newfound power a blessing or a curse?
2. The promise of health.
Picture a world where genetic disorders are history, and we can wave goodbye to diseases that have plagued us for generations. We're talking about a revolution in medicine that could usher in a new era of health and well-being. But, of course, it's never that simple, is it?
3. Unintended consequences.
Cue the dramatic music! With great power comes, well, you know the rest. Altering genes might sound like a superhero's dream come true, but there's a flip side. Unintended consequences could be lurking in the shadows, potentially giving rise to new problems we haven't even imagined.
4. Ethical quandaries.
Ah, the elephant in the room, ethics. Are we playing with fire, venturing into territory where we should tread lightly? It's a tug-of-war between the desire to cure and the fear of creating something we can't control. Join us as we delve into the moral maze of gene editing.
5. Playing nature's role.
Are we merely taking a page out of Mother Nature's playbook, or have we crossed the line by wielding the genetic scissors ourselves? Some argue that we're playing gods, while others see it as the natural progression of human ingenuity. It's a cosmic clash of opinions.
6. The Wild West of regulations.
Hold on to your lab coats. The regulatory landscape is still like the Wild West. How do we strike a balance between scientific advancement and ensuring that gene editing is used responsibly? We'll explore the global patchwork of laws and guidelines trying to keep up with this genetic revolution.
7. The Horizon of Hope.
But don't let the ethical conundrums overshadow the genuine hope that gene editing brings. From personalized medicine to potential cures, the horizon is ablaze with possibilities. It's a glimpse into a future where our genes may no longer dictate our destiny. And there you have it, heavy thinkers. The roller coaster of human gene editing, swirling with promise, perils, and profound questions. Are we about to write the next chapter of human evolution, or should we exercise caution and restraint? The answer isn't black and white, but rather a canvas of complex shades. Don't forget to write down your own thoughts in the comment section below. Is human gene editing really bad or good? I hope you didn't learn anything today, and don't forget to drop that like and subscribe so you don't miss out new unknowledgeable content. Always remember, those who know are safe. Ciao!
Pew Pew JTV.